means he'll be undergoing quite a lot of negative G. So he's rolling the aircraft round through the upside down, and there he is. He's on the outside of that turn, not rushing to his back towards us, he'll be getting into the vertical and rolling the aircraft as it goes up and then spiralling it down. Pulling up into the vertical now. Change of plan there, no roll up or spiral down. I think maybe the cloud base is just a little low for that, but we'll see if he picks up his full script in a moment, which he will do if he decides to do a 4-point roll. This is where you get the aircraft lined up with the display line, then roll it through 90 degrees at a time. 1, 2 on 4 points, 3 and 4, back the right way up. Heading away from us, avoiding all right all the time. A split S, rolling on its back and pulling the aircraft through to come back towards us. At this stage, if he were landing and taking off here, he'd be doing a touch and go landing, but the runway isn't short enough for that. You might think that with a touch and go, it doesn't matter how long the runway is, but what you have to do is take safety into account, because if he had a problem on the touch and go, the runway would not be long enough for him to stop. So I think he'll do they call a low overshoot, and I can't see at the moment whether he's got his wheels down. Yes, he has. So he'll get the aircraft quite low over the runway and then pile the coals on, and doing a slow roll with the undercarriage. The slower a slow roll is, the more difficult it is to do. That was beautifully done by high-tech shooter. A mush. Leading speed on now. Another slow roll coming up. This time he's got the undercarriage up. F16 was the first aircraft designed to be deliberately unstable. It means that it's much more manoeuvrable. It's only kept in stability by the fly-by-wire computers. The pilot couldn't fly it on his or her own without the aid of these computers. The end